regarding Collectorate North Goa, demand number 15, regarding the disaster management cell. Sir, गेल्यात त्या वर्सा कितलो पावस पडून झाडां पडून लोकांच्या घरांचेर पडलेली. But that process of yours, it is too lengthy. त्या लोकांक पैसे मेवता म्हणल्यार 6 म्हयने जाता. Just see that it is streamlined and made easier, people friendly. तांकां घर पडते बांदपाक तांकां तेन्ना पैसे जाय पडटा. Of course the money comes, but it is long and lengthy. हेजेर तुमी मातशे पळोवचे. Secondly, regarding the administrator of Komindad building, आमचे म्हापसा आहा पळय ते, it requires we require new building there. Only आमी सामकी PDR आणि बाद आमी building आख्खे गोंया पळोवंक ना. You just cannot see. I mean, the roof आहा ते आख्खे वावतेन खाल्लेले आहा. कोणे तुमचो ऑफिसर कलेक्टर कोण तरी वयता म्हाका खबर ना. It is so pathetic. There is no word to say. So ते मोडून आमी नये बिल्डिंग बांदपाची गरज आहा. Existing staff आहा तांकां regularize करात आणि we need new additional staff over there. There are old Portuguese documents which needs to be digitized. तुसर कोणूच ना, no staff over there who knows Portuguese. तर आमकांच एक Portuguese document जाय आणि कोण तरी येता आणि काढून दिता. There is no problem. At least get that, keep someone, staff on pay scale who will go and remove the record आणि हे translate करूंक जाय. हे Portuguese old documents need to be translated in Konkani, English and Marathi. परते हांगा सर तुसर एकटो Portuguese जाडा जाल्लो मनीस जाय who can go inside and get the documents. We don't have over there. Full-time surveyor जाय to look after the encroachments. असता तेन्ना तिसर full-time surveyor जाय आणि administrator हा तो he is doing additional duty. ताका full-time तिसर दवरचो म्हणून मागता. Regarding Komindad properties, हे आमचे आसगांवचे around 2,21,550 square meters. मतलब कळले तुका. आणि अंजुनाचे around 2,30,000 square meters. All fraudulently नाच झाले. So all together आसगांव आणि अंजुना मेळून 5,50,000 square meter properties. Ejer, you are the head of the department. Please, we require a separate SIT for this. Only Komindad properties, which is headed by Device P. ये दूसरे SIT हा ते okay हा, but for Komindad properties, ते आमची पूर्वजाची property होती. So 5,50,000 square meters, and it has, for my knowledge also, the little knowledge I have, it has come from, the link is from archives. You have to see, because those page of these archives are missing. So, porte request korta ejer, please, they are properties belonging to our ancestors, and both Asagaon and Anjuna, it's a one click. That's the owner. Tisorut property na zalet. Regarding and Asagaon serial number, survey number 101/1, under SIT FIR number 94/2024, dated 19/7/2024, register केली. पण आजपासून SIT घातल्यार charge sheet file जायना. एक वर्ष झाले. I know. Yeah, it's already this, but charge sheet file जाऊंक ना.
Same property.
Till now, no charge sheet is filed. So please, I would request you to please look into this. Secondly, again I will bring to your notice, there is 48,200 square meter property Asagaon. Survey number 69/1. I will the TCP neta, but I will just bring it to your notice. The access is from Komindad property. ऑफ सर्वे नंबर 74/1 त्यांची एनओसी घेयनासतना कंपाऊंड वॉलाची हे दिले परमिशन दिले तांकां 40 टू सर्वे नंबर 69/1 म्हळ्यार ओनराची जे कोमदाद आहा विथ सर्वे नंबर 74/1 त्यांची एनओसीच घेवप ना.
Who has given permission?
TCP. I will bring it to the notice, but this is also, I mean, when TCP this, but just see, त्यांची अनुचित ना आणि ते म्हणतात owner, and especially because it is Govinda's property, I am bringing to your notice regarding revenue demand number 33. हे आमचे मुणकार आणि टेनन्सी केसेस विच आर पेंडिंग एट वेरियस मुणकार मामलेदार कोर्ट्स टू बी फास्ट ट्रॅक. आता म्हणल्यार एक आयज डेट दिल्यार आयज केस आहल्यार एक म्हयन्यान नेक्स्ट डेट आसता. सो ही बेग्याच्या बेग्यान आय मीन ब्रिंग इट टू एटलीस्ट 15 days. हांव जाणा आमच्या मामलेदारांक लॉ अँड ऑर्डर केसीस असतात, बट सकाळी गेल्यार ते आख्खे दीस थंयसर उरतात. सो त्या दिसाचे केसीस सगळे गेले. I mean, you cannot attend. So, please see that there is time-bound delivery of these cases. Secondly, mutation process should be time-bound also. And especially, sale date kotta tenna muntu sellerachi NOC ha, te filing. That has to be disposed of within a week or 15 days max.
Sub-register also does the mutation.
Sub-register on korung jata because that all the documents are there. I don't know why that file comes to Mamledar's office.
Direction has been given to sub-register.
Yeah, because everything is over there. Application for mutation, NOC of the seller, mutation fee, everything is paid at the sub-register office.
They can do that.
So tuisorut korung laite amche mutation sir. Third, Mamledar building Mapsa. तेका पार्किंग ना सर. तू नुस्तें कोण पासून घेवपाक वयतात ते तुसर पार्क करतात आणि चल्ले नुस्तें घेवपाक. पार्किंग इज अ प्रॉब्लम. आय विल गिव यू अ सोल्युशन. बिल्डिंगाच्या फाटल्यान खूप जागो हा.
We are identifying a place.
या त्या ओनरांक घेवन तांकां कितें रेंट दिवपाचें आहा ते रेंट फारीक करात, पूण ते पार्किंग आमकां हे करात. देर इज नो लिफ्ट. ग्राउंड प्लस
So we are identifying a place.
लिफ्ट ते आमचे जाणटे आणि हे कोहे वयर चडपाचे ते म्हाका खबर ना. थर्ड, द कोर्ट रूम ती आमची मामलेदार बसतात. इट सो स्मॉल वी कॅनॉट सी द मामलेदार. देर सो मेनी फाइल्स अँड यू नो दॅट टू स्मॉल.
By this year end we will shift that.
Yeah. And regarding speaker sir, regarding science and technology, the garbage treatment plant at Saligaon. आमकां सायपे कांदोली वास येता सर. अजूनही ती साऊथ गोवाची गार्बेज येता. हाऊ कॅन साऊथ गोवा गार्बेज कम फॉर अस?
No, I don't think so, South Goa.
It comes around 7 panchayat Abri. There is a garbage treatment plant at South Goa. Please take it there.
I'll just check.
सायपे गांवान सर ओल्लो वासान ते रावंक
I
जाय.
will just check.
Please look into it.
Yes.
आणि regarding employment, sorry, labor, हे आमचे सगळे गवडी आणि लेबर हांगा रस्त्यार असतात तेंचे रेट्यो तुम्ही फायनलाइज करात. केन्ना तरी अनऑर्गनायझड सेक्टर ते तोंडान येता ते रेट सांगतात.
Yes.